Okay, so this is the FS-RX2A for the Flysky. This is a micro receiver for the Flysky transmitters. So they have 4 pinouts on the front, on the back side, and the pinouts are iBus, PPM, VCC, and ground. So we usually just need 3 connections: the ground, the 5V, and then the iBus. This is the binding button. So over here, I've already soldered it up to the Betafpv 85 Pro 2. So we're now going to begin binding. To bind, you just press and hold the button, and then connect the USB for power. You will see the light is flashing very quickly. That means it's in binding mode. To bind, you hold down the bind button on your transmitter and then turn it on. Okay, once you see the receiver having the light has slowed down, then the binding is successful. You can turn off the transmitter and also power cycle the receiver. And then for now, just turn on the transmitter normally. Battery low. Okay, here we go. And then in the receiver tab, you can move around the sticks to see what the channels are. You'll then adjust the channel map accordingly to make sure you have the throttle correct, yaw, pitch, and roll as correct as well. Another point to note is to make sure the configuration is at iBus. Serial-based receiver, iBus. Once you select this configuration, press save and reboot, and everything should be working fine. And then for setting the modes, you will just automatically as default just select the mode you want, and then you flip the switch, and then you will auto detect which switch is activated, and it will correspond to that mode. So for me, I set up the switch A here as my arm switch, and my switch C is. And once everything is done, just press save, and everything will be saved to the controller already. That's all.